This will be an unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 9. Decided to go ahead and pick this up. This video a little bit late. This phone has been out for like a month now or so, but better late than never, right? So as you can see, this is the box, big 9 front and center. And I'm gonna zoom in here, it says Mi right there. And this one says global version, Mi 9, as you can see. On the back, some information here. Let's have a quick look. 48 megapixel ultra high resolution camera. Very nice. Snapdragon 855 and 20 watt fast charge, as you can see. And this one has the in-display fingerprint scanner, the optical variant. So there you go. Take my blade and we'll just have a quick look. Let's see, let's make an incision right here. And let's go. Go ahead and take this plastic off. And, well, actually, before I proceed, kind of like this iridescent effect that this box has. Very nice, look at that. You don't see this on a box that often. I like that. Kind of reminds me of the white S10. Very similar. So we'll just go ahead and take this lid off and we'll see what we get. Designed by Xiaomi, so you can see even this little thing has the iridescent effect. Very nice. And let's have a look in here. Aha! So you can see, what is this? This is your little USB connector. This one is, no idea what this is. What is this thing? Oh, it's the, right, this phone does not have a headphone jack. So this is your little dongle, so you can see. I thought these were two separate things. SIM ejector tool, and inside of this we have a case, which we'll have a quick look. I like how phones do this now. Manufacturers including a case, which I will gladly accept. And what else is in here? Just some booklets and stuff. Yeah. Put that to the side, and this is the phone itself, as you can see. Whoa, look at this. Mi 9. Power that up, put this to the side, and then in the box we get your charging cable. Have a look, so you can see. And this is the international version, so you get the international brick, non-US. If I can get it out. Let me see if I can get this out. Pause the video if you want to read that. Put that to the side. Here's the device. We have the MIUI 10, as you can see. Of course, we have to take this off. And we'll do the same thing here. No stickers allowed on the phones. And I'm gonna place this here for now. And here's the device. Very nice. Kind of this black chrome kind of look, almost gunmetal. Looks good. Looks good back here. Got your cameras here, etc. 48 megapixels. Okay, we'll go ahead and breeze through the setup. MIUI 10. English, I'm going to choose United States. That's where I'm from. And region. Let's see here. Where is United States? Connect to network. Can go ahead and choose my Wi-Fi, and then gonna enter my password. Gonna go ahead and just agree to all this. Checking for SIM card. I do not have one, so we'll just kind of skip through this. Just a sec. Typical Android setup here. Copy apps and data. Don't copy, don't have any of that. Just a sec. And we'll skip the Google stuff for now. Just want to get into the phone, skip all of this, and gonna decline all this, accept. Adding finishing touches. So you can see the teardrop notch right there. And Mi Cloud needs permissions. Okay, I guess I'm gonna allow this. Allow. And then gonna turn that off. don't use, and then skip this. Set password, we'll skip this for now. Actually, let me go back. Fingerprint, let's check this out. Now this is the optical scanner, and we'll use a pattern. Okay, got it. And we'll just draw this, and then we'll do it again, so everybody can get in my phone. And about in-screen fingerprint sensor. Okay, I got it. And let's do this. Add your fingerprint. Now this is optical, so it's going to use light to shine the print. So let's do this real fast. Here you go. Now the outer parts of my print. So let's do this. Done. Excellent. Additional settings. What's all this? I'm gonna undo all that. Choose a theme. Default, spacewalk, and classic. I'm gonna choose spacewalk. That looks like a dark theme. So we'll choose spacewalk for this. Spacewalk. Next. Setup complete. You're ready to rock. And loading apps. And we are in MIUI 10. We'll go to settings, and then let's go ahead and we'll take a look at the Android Mi9. As you can see, Android version, there's your Android version. And let's see here, where is the, we'll go with the stat, nope, not that. Let's see, security patch level. There we go. Android Pie, so you can see. So this thing has a 48 megapixel camera. Let's have a quick look. Ultra wide angle mode, so you can see. Cross that out. So we'll go ahead and take a picture of something right now. This is my S10. So we'll take a quick shot. Kind of focus. And then take the shot. Let's see, what else can I take a picture of? This is my other S10. See, I'm gonna try to get in here and try to see if I can focus on the case. Take the shot, and we'll take a look at it right now. So you can see there, nice and sharp. Nice bokeh effect too on the back. And let's see, we'll take a look at this one. This is the S10. Have a look for yourself. Shot on Mi9 AI triple camera. I think you can take that off in settings. Not sure how I feel about that. I'll probably turn that off. USB Type-C here, we have your speakers. Oh, this is like an assistant key, I think. This is the power button. Let's see, volume rocker. This is your SIM tray. On top, you have a mic. That might be an IR blaster, not too sure. Triple camera setup in the back, flash, Mi branding right here. And, ooh, check out that camera hump though. Oh man. Look at that camera hump. That is pretty substantial. Cool. So let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with this device. Speed tests, camera tests, etc. Thanks for watching. Peace out.